Hello. Today I'm going to walk you through my project, which is an Amazon sales data analysis and demand forecasting. It is a cloud-hosted notebook data manipulations automated using GitHub Actions. So this project provides an analysis of Amazon sales data on a cloud-hosted Jupyter notebook, accessible via Google Colab. It enables data exploration, visualization, and forecasting using Sarima and ProNet models to support inventory management and demand prediction. This project provides an analysis of Amazon sales, focusing on identifying top-selling item, understanding demand pattern influenced by fulfillment and courier performance, and forecasting future demand to optimize inventory and fulfillment planning. Using techniques in data exploration, demand trend analysis, and time series forecasting, this project aims to uncover insights that support better decision-making to product stocking and distribution. So let me show you how the Google Colab setup works. Here is my customer service purchase behavior. I uploaded my CSV file, which I downloaded from Kaggle. I downloaded it to my drive. So if that data would be updated, I can update my whole report. I uploaded my data, then I explored it using info, and then I tried to group my categories and see the quantity of data to see what I want to do. Then I analyzed some categories. I analyzed the sales count status, and there I realized that it would be interesting to look at the distribution, looking at the sales amount per top selling items and how the shipment and handling of those items affect the future demand. So then I define my top selling items by high volumes of sales and revenue. So here are the aggregated top selling items. Then I filtered the data set to leave only the top selling items. Then I tried to analyze the fulfillment and courier status for top selling items where I tried to see what were the numbers. Then I measured the demand trends by date. So here I did some data manipulations for my data types. And then to reduce the warnings that I was getting for my data, here's some data manipulations. Then I cleaned some of my data and then grouped it by SKU, courier status, and date, all by quantity. Then I analyzed monthly demand trends for courier status for each SKU product by date. Then I filtered only the shipped ones and grouped it by date and quantity. And filtered only unfulfilled orders, canceled and unshipped ones. And then I grouped my data and the courier status to calculate the frequency of unfulfilled orders. So here is my first plot, which is a daily completed sales volume and unfulfilled demand. So I was trying to see what is going wrong with the fulfillment and courier statuses, and that prevents us from getting this extra revenue where the orders get canceled or unshipped. So here, and then we compare the demand trends for different fulfillment methods. And here is my daily demand by fulfillment matter and courier status for top selling items. And for merchants and Amazon. So we can see that some orders have different kinds of insights of unshipped items, unknown items, and etc. Knowing this, we can forecast the future demand, and future demand is essential for effective inventory and fulfillment planning. So I decided to use time series analysis and model Sarima, and I am importing the library. I am importing a package and fitting the model. Then I put my variables in there, and I want to forecast for the 30 days ahead. So here is the result, where we can see that the Sarima forecast indicates a gradual decline in daily demand for top-selling items. So it might be caused by seasonality and other factors. So the Amazon can plan their fulfillment accordingly to this, so they don't be overstocked on those periods. So here's my file structure. I use dev container. I use Docker, and my project is. I've shown you how to get started with Colab. Basically, you can just save it as a copy in your GitHub in your existing repo. And then here is a dev container usage. I use Dockerfile, then I use Makefile automations. My essential tasks, I have requirements file to install all of my dependencies. I have a make test, run test, notebook, and code files. I format my text in a black format and lint it so that it would be easier to read and comprehend. And there is an also refactor and make all functions. I don't know, make functions. And then the CI/CD pipeline does it make it work. So this is my lint for format, test, and deploy. The dependencies for DevOps are the following. So if you wish to contribute to the project, you can fork my repo or give me a pull request, and we could work it through. Oh, sorry. Here is my badge. It passed. Thank you for attention. Here is also my Colab with a badge that it was open in Colab. Thank you.